Yo, what's up guys? ATV here. Today we are going to open this little beauty right here, Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG Duelist Nexus. Let's see what we can find here. Alright, let's take cards out of the blister. In Yu-Gi-Oh! You can do also the card trick, which we are doing right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's go guys. New World Formations. Storage Pot. Million Century Ice Prison, Diabolica the Dragonic General, Veda Calanta, Emergency, Rhinosaurus, Rescue Ace Preventer. Oh, I see something. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.